take one step further with Pydantic and look at its Validator Decorator that allows you to enforce additional constraints on your data. So let's look at this example where we validate that an email field contains a valid email address and that a user's age is above a certain threshold. So first we import the necessary modules, including face model, validator, and the RE library for regular expression matching. The user class now has 4 fields: ID, name, email, and an optional age field. Next, we use the Validator Decorator to add custom validation to our email and age fields. The validate email method checks if the email matches a basic regex pattern for email addresses. If it doesn't, Pydantic automatically raises a value error with a custom message. And similarly, the validate age method checks if the age is at least 18 years old. And if the age provided is less than 18, we raise another value error. And when we create a user instance with valid data, as shown here, everything works perfectly, and the user data is printed out as expected. And now what happens if the data doesn't meet our validation criteria? Let's try an invalid email and see what happens. Now, as you can see, when the email is invalid, Pydantic raises a value error and our custom error message is displayed. This ensures that only the valid data gets through, helping you catch issues early in your code. And so just like that, you can customize your Pydantic models using the Validator Decorator. Let me know if you have any questions and leave a comment if you've used this decorator to do anything really cool with your Pydantic models.